Hello everyone, I'm Vaibhav Vajpayee and this is fourth lecture of IIT JEE Advanced Lecture Series. So now see question. Question is in the XY plane, the point P naught 1 comma 1 is rotated counterclockwise about the point 1 comma 0 by an angle pi divided by 1010. Designated P1, then P1 is rotated counterclockwise about the point 2 comma 0 by an angle pi divided by 10110. Designated P2. The point Pk is rotated counterclockwise about the point k plus 1 comma 0 for k equal to 1 2 3 dot dot by the angle pi by 1010 designated Pk plus 1. If the coordinates of P of 2020 is a comma b, then find a plus b. So pause this video and try this question. So let's begin. Now we have this Argand plane, and let us assume that the complex number associated with point P naught is Z naught, and this Z naught is 1 plus iota, and this point is 1 comma 0, and now we have to get a point P1. So we have to rotate this point P naught about 1 comma 0. So using rotation of, let us take this point as A. So PA vector along A P naught vector along AP1. Rotation of AP naught along AP1 in anti-clockwise direction. So this direction is anti-clockwise. So we have to use the concept of rotation, and that is Z1 minus 1 equal to Z naught minus 1 into e to the power I pi divided by 1010, because it is rotated by the angle, and this angle is pi divided by 1010, and this is first relation. Now what will happen here? We get this coordinate P1, then we have to rotate P1 along, this is point A1. We have to rotate P1 along this point A2, and this coordinate is 2 comma 0. So now we have to write rotation of A2 P1 along, next point is A2 P2, and this rotation is anti-clockwise, so we get Z2 minus 2, because this vector is Z1 minus 2. So Z2 minus 2 equal to Z1 minus 2 into e to the power I pi divided by 1010. So to make calculation simpler, let us assume that pi divided by 1010 is alpha. So this will be e to the power I alpha, and this will be also, this is also e to the power I alpha. Now we can write here Z1 minus 1 times e to the power I alpha minus e to the power I alpha. So Z1 minus 1 into e to the power I alpha. So this will be Z0 minus 1 into the power I 2 alpha minus e to the power I alpha, and this is equal to Z2 minus 2, and this is relation number 2. And similarly we get Z3 minus 3 equal to Z0 minus 1 into e to the power I 3 alpha minus e to the power I2 alpha minus e to the power I alpha, and this is third relation, right? So we have to solve for zk. So solve for zk, then we get zk minus 1 equal to z naught minus 1 into e to the power I k alpha. Why it is k alpha? Because for 2 we are getting z2, so we get e to the power I2 alpha. For z3 we get e to the power I3 alpha. So for zk we get e to the power I k alpha minus e to the power I k minus 1 alpha minus e to the power I k minus 2 alpha and minus e to the power I alpha. So it is z naught minus 1 into e to the power I k alpha minus, and this is known as sigma k equal to 1 to k minus 1 e to the power I k alpha. So if you find the sum of gp, so sum of gp will be e to the power I k alpha minus e to the power I alpha whole divided by, we get e to the power I alpha minus 1, and this is z1 minus 1 into e to the power I k alpha, and this is zk minus 1. Now here we put k equal to 2000. So if we put k equal to 2000, so we get z of 2000 minus 1 equal to, this is z naught minus 1 into e to the power I, and this is 2000, put the value of alpha, so pi divided by 1000 minus e to the power I 2000 pi whole divided by 1000 minus, this will be e to the power I pi divided by 1000 whole divided by e to the power I pi divided by 1000 minus 1. So this quantity will be actually e to the power, this quantity is e to the power I 2 pi, and e to the power I 2 pi is 1, and this quantity is also 1. So we get z of 2020 minus 1 equal to z naught minus 1 minus, if this quantity is 1, so 1 minus, we get 1 minus e to the power pi I pi whole divided by 1000 whole divided by e to the power I pi whole divided by 1000 1010. This is 1010 and it is 2020 and 2020 and 1010 and 1010. So now this quantity will be 1. So if it is 1, so this is 1 minus e to the power I pi whole divided by 1010 and e to the power I pi 1010 minus 1. So this will be 1. So 1 and 1 will get cut, and z of 2020 equal to z naught plus 1, and z naught is given, uh, and this is z naught minus k, and this is z naught minus k, and this is k. So it is actually 2000 and now we get 2000, 2000 plus z naught plus 1. So z naught is actually 1 plus, this is 1, and this is 2000, 2000. So 1 plus iota plus 2000, 2000. So now we get z naught, z of 2020, and this is 2021 plus iota. So the complex number associated with, complex number associated with P of 2021 is 2021 plus iota. So it is same as A comma B, that is 2021 comma 1. So A plus B equal to 2022, and this is the final answer, right? So everyone understood this question? This is the complete solution, first part, and this is second part. So thank you so much for watching this video.